And welcome back to another Roblox video. And today we're playing Blox, for it's my favorite game in the whole wide world. Let's not jump. There we go, it's right, and it should be uploaded. Joining Golden Bob guy. Let's favorite info. Favorite info. Okay. There's no webcam in there, guys, because there's no webcam. I'm in the box for guys. 101 Seeker. 101 versus Seeker. 100 versus Seeker. Watch for a minute. I'm gonna buy something. Okay, I didn't buy anything. Because I have no money. What's in there? I am a higher seeker. What's in there? Oh yeah. Something I don't want to show. Yeah, he's a hiding. Have you ever met Mr. Davidson before? That's hiding. Hide as a chest. And there's three chests. There's three chests here. I said, why is there three chests in there? Three chests here. Let's hide it right there. When he finds me, I'll stop recording. I will end the video, guys. When she stops recording. Don't transport into anything. When I want, I'll stop recording. When I want, I'll record however long as I want. It takes that for 15 minutes. Okay. Oh, let's go closer and stop recording, guys. When she's find me. I'll pause the video when she's find me. Okay, he didn't find me, guys. He's about to find me. 2 seekers left. Good job. He's about to find me at 2 seekers only. There is only 3 chests in this game. Oh. There was 4 seekers. Now you move to 3 seekers now. When she finds it, it'll be the last hider. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 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 I wish it would zap him. Zap him. 23 seconds? Yes! He's about to find. Oh. 2 seekers left. Yes! Finally, he is not finding me. When he's after 2 seconds, I will run. No, 1 second. Yay! I see, girl, I was right there. Hi. Yeah, I won this game. I record. It takes longer. Let's go to the shop and buy ourselves a beard, guys. Beard is a great. Oh, so close. 50 tokens for beard. Okay. Let's go for the obstacle course and make it for the beard. I'll do AFK. Yes, I want ourselves a beard. Yeah, I got tokens. I won. Let's buy ourselves a beard, guys. Beer is a fast thing to do, guys. Now, let's go to the shop and buy it, guys. I'll see you. Oh, okay. I buy ourselves a beard because it's cool. A mustache and a beard, guys. I just paid it for 50 tokens. Oh, I'm very good at parkour, guys. I'm very good at parkour games. I'll see you next video. Goodbye. Yeah. Wait.